My wife's Amazon haul.
Okay, I was feeling in the mood to buy a couple things for my classroom and for us.
Fine jewelry.
Fine, it says fine jewelry.
Fine.
Sterling silver.
Oh, nice. Sterling silver is nice and it's not terribly expensive.
There's a polishing cloth, I think, here.
So it looks like, what did you get?
Oh, you just wait and see.
We're waiting.
Patience, my darling. Patience.
Internet has no patience.
Oh, so,
It's a pendant. Oh, is that the dragon pendant?
yes, it's so gorgeous.
Cool.
Look at that. No, there's no. Unless you want a white background.
Oh, yeah, definitely. Wow. That is
nice.
slick.
That is real nice.
Wow, that's cool. What does it say on the front? That doesn't say
Doesn't
anything.
see anything.
Oh, that's cool. I'm glad you got that. That's very D&D.
We can share it.
Yeah.
And I'm not wearing it. You can wear it.
Oh, you know it.
Oh, that's nice. I'll wear it tomorrow.
What else you get?
What else did I get? This is for both of us, so we can sit on here. What else I got was, this feels like liners for my,
Tablecloths?
oh, these are tablecloths for the tables. 7.
7 tablecloths. You might as well just leave them in there.
Yeah. And then,
Can I see what the pattern is?
yeah. Red. Very auspicious.
Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty cool. This is for Tara's classroom. She's teaching cooking.
And I decided I wanted to make it cultural. It's cultural cooking.
Cultural cooking.
So I want it to be very sort of cultural
Looking. Tara's culture. Asia.
of the Asian persuasion.
Asian persuasion.
Oh yay!
What is it?
It's my bonsai.
Oh, the
bonsai
herb
kit.
garden. Oh no, bonsai tree kit.
Oh,
cool.
because I said
Oh, they come in red?
there's 4 different kinds in
Yeah,
this kit.
they have red. These are real live ones?
Yeah,
Oh my god.
they're seeds. You have to grow them.
Oh, okay.
And this is a table runner for one of my window seals or my desk.
Okay,
I
good.
have 3 of them.
Well, that's pretty cool.
And that's it.
That's it. The more is on the way.
More